Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from IQoptionWiki.com, and here today with another video. We're going to talk about, are binary options a scam, how do they work, and why people think they're a scam. So is binary options a scam? Used to be, not that much anymore. Most of the scam brokers have left the planet because they cannot make money in the big markets like the US, where it's prohibited anymore. Most of the world is still possible to do the binary options. If you do binary options, what you need to focus on is a regulated broker that to make sure that the money you are going to put in the platform, that it not vaporizes when the moment you upload it to the platform. I've been working with IQoption for years now. They're pretty trusted. They're a well-regulated broker. Their money is safe. You hear sometimes people say, I couldn't withdraw my funds from the IQoption platform. That's just because the verification process can be a little bit difficult. That's for security reasons, for money laundering reasons. Make sure before you start out, when you make the account, make sure you are verified, that all your details are filled in, that your whole sign-up process is completed, because with a verified account you can withdraw the funds. Otherwise it's not possible to do that. So why you still hear people telling you that binary options is a scam? Most likely, if you hear people with IQoption platform that they think it is a scam because they lost all their money, they're just upset, they didn't take it serious enough, or they were not good enough in trading. And they lose all their account, they blow up everything, and then they say, binary options is a scam, I couldn't make money, you know what I mean? But in this channel I want to teach you how you can minimize your losses, how you can become a better trader, how you can actually make money out of these trading platforms. So what are binary options? Binary options, you have to understand that you're not really trading the underlying asset. So what do I mean with that? For example, US dollar, GPY, the currency. Usually if you trade Forex, you have US dollars and you're going to convert that in Japanese yen, and then the Japanese yen goes up or down, and then you buy back your US dollars from the Japanese yen. But what you do with binary options, you're just having a contract with the broker. You say, hey, from this particular point, it's called the strike price, you're gonna we have this price, and depending on if it's becoming above or below that, you're gonna either lose money or win money in a specific time frame. So it's just a contract over the underlying asset. That said, about binary options trading, there are things I like about binary option trading, there are things I don't like about binary option trading. And the reason what I really like about binary option trading is that you can learn really fast, because you have these binary option 1-minute turbo trades. They're really good for learning how to trade, especially on a demo account. You won't lose anything. With traditional trading, the idea is you go into a trade that takes you about 2-3 hours, and then you know the outcome of the trade. Maybe even a day, 8 hours in a trade, and it takes one trade, and you only get to learn from this 8-hour period, begin to finish. A lot of things can happen in that time anyway. But with binary option turbo, what you can do is you can just practice. Every 1 minute is one trade, or every 5 minutes, depends what time frame you take. But if you take a 1-minute trade and you put like, let's say you start trading with 20 1-minute trades in a day with a specific strategy, you're gonna learn that, you're gonna practice that. But the good thing is with binary options is that you can make 20 trades, 50 trades in one day. Of course that's over trading, but that's for another video. Yeah, it's a very quick way how you can learn to understand the financial market. And in traditional matters, it's like you have to spend months and months of trading. Where in binary options, to even understand it, you can understand it in a day, because you can do so many different trades. You can try many different strategies because you can do the 1 minute trading. You can try like 5 different strategies in one day, and you can figure out what works for you the best instead of doing every day one trade. So now what I don't like about binary option is that you get a fixed win and a fixed lose. If you're starting out, this is not a problem because you're just starting out with a little bit of money. But as soon as you want to trade with more and more money, you want winners that can really roll into the thousands of dollars. Binary options is a type of trading where you're never going to make millions and millions and millions of dollars out of binary option trading, because you need a money management system next to it, and that limits you to certain wins every day, and that will never make you a multi-millionaire. Though traditional trading, your wins can be significantly higher, but if you're starting out, binary options is perfect because you can do a lot of trades in a short time. I started out with binary options myself. It's good to start small, to make a little wins. Like, don't get me wrong, with binary options you still can make $4,000 in a day, maybe even more. But yeah, binary options is not something you're gonna earn, let's say, $50,000 in one day, because just the binary options is not made for it, it's not set for it. But let's say a $400 a day, if that's your target, that should be possible to reach that with binary options. Now, what I would recommend is just to start out with a simple strategy, find out what works for you best, take a demo account, go to our website IQoptionWiki.com. On the sidebar there's a sign up form. You can register there for a free demo account. Start practicing with the demo account, and if you're even starting with real money, start with a small amount. You're gonna notice that trading real money is gonna be really different, and that it takes a whole other mindset, because with real money there's real money on the table, so you can get really emotional in your trades, and this can become a difficult process. That said, never trade money that you cannot afford to lose. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Hit the bell icon. Also, like this video, will help me big time and get me motivated to more videos for you guys. And this was it. Thank you for watching. Happy trading.